Hello again, friends. Something to fix today. You know, this guy, this little fan, just died under my watch. And it's crazy hot outside. It's summer and we have another wave, another heat wave on the way. So I really need this on my desk right here. So let's take a look and see what's happening. Obviously it's connected to my 5 volts power supply, but nothing happens anymore. Oh, now just started, but it's barely pushing any. Look, nothing, almost nothing. It's not blowing. It's absolutely dead in the water, and you can hear the sound. It's like a tractor. Right, let's open it up. How can I do that? Probably having this top out of here or the back. Alright, so I can see some hinges in there, you see that? Look, and that, I believe, it's keeping the whole thing together. Let's push them in and try to open it. Okay, this one is done. This one is done too. Yes, I know you'll say, oh man, it's so cheap. Oh yes, of course. But it's paid, if you know what I mean. It's not for nothing. It's like maybe €5 or something. And it's supposed to deliver. But I'm pretty sure this little motor, it's gone. Oh yeah, dead in the water. Doing nothing. Oh man, how is this possible? So that's the little fellow. It's just a simple, oh man, what do you think about that? Now it's running. What the hell was it? Something stuck. It's running full speed, I can tell you that. I don't understand how, but probably pushing this out, in and out. I just change the path of the brushes. Shall I open? Can we open it? Let's see. Okay, there we are. Let's push this out. Okay. You don't want it. I'm not begging you. There we go. Oh, yes, of course. So these are the brushes. You see? Very simple motors, nothing special here. And I can even say, look at this. It's so gone. You see, it's only one left. Only one left. So this motor, it's doomed. Normally there should be 3. There should be at least 3. Let's call it hairs. But I only got 1. Maybe pushing this. No way. Let me try to find a motor, some sort.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here we are, and I have a few motors in fact, and almost the same diameter. What is this? Let's see. That's stocked. Okay. You heard that noise? That means it's ready to give up. So what it's saying over here? Anything related to voltage? Nothing. But I bet this is plus and that's minus. Let me see how it's behaving on this 5 volts. So this is so gone. Sorry. plus and minus. Not bad. The sound is much better. The speed feels like better. But now let's see if I can fit the propeller. Yes, I can. I can tell you, this is a fan. Of course. We are done. Almost the same size. Okay, a little bit of oil doesn't hurt. But you know something? Never throw away motors, because you'll never know when you need it. Beautiful, but I pushed this too much. A little bit. Now it's fine. Yeah. Let's have the wires and we are done. Perfect. This one too. Yes. A bit of tape. Okay, so we said this. Ooh. Now it's working. Yes, it should. Finally, what can I say? Never throw away any of these stuffs. I'm pretty sure the lenses will be useful, and I have another motor here. Probably this is even greater. This is DC. What is saying here? 529. Anyway, another one here. That's it. So I still have 2 motors to go, so I can run my little fan all day long. So people, isn't this funny? Don't throw away things. You'll never know when you need it. That's it for today. See you soon with some others. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, push the like button. Thanks to my sponsors. Have a nice summer. Oh, it's hot. And of course, until the next one, have fun. See you. Bye bye.